Here's how to fetch data from API in Power BI in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this easy step-by-step guide how you can connect an API to Power BI and start pulling live data into your reports without getting stuck or overwhelmed. Start by opening Power BI desktop on your computer. Once it loads, go to the Home tab and select Get Data. From the list of options, choose Web. This is where Power BI connects to online data sources, including APIs. Next, paste the API link into the address field. This link usually comes from the service or platform providing the data. After entering it, select OK. Power BI will try to connect and may ask how you want to sign in. Choose the required option, which could be basic access, an account login, or a key provided by the service. Enter the details if needed and continue. After connecting, Power BI will show a preview of the data it received. This step helps confirm that the connection worked. If the data appears in a structured format, select Transform Data to clean it before loading. This allows you to rename columns, remove unnecessary fields, and make the dataset easier to understand. Once everything looks clear, select Close and Apply. Power BI will now import the data into your workspace. You can drag fields into charts, tables, or visuals to build your report. If the API supports updates, the data can refresh automatically when the source changes. If the connection fails, double-check the API link and access details. Many APIs require a key or permission before they send data. Making sure those are correct usually fixes most issues right away. Fetching data from an API in Power BI is mostly about connecting through the web option, confirming access, cleaning the data, and loading it into your report. After that, you can build visuals, track changes, and keep everything updated without repeating the process each time.